touching it too. I mean, so okay, keep it running. Okay, guys, that is the SCZ 70 that everybody is saying is gutless and they're junk. That's 2450 gears with pin tires and an open diff, and all it's been doing is raining. The ground is horrible, and you can see, man, I could go up to 26, 28 gear with no problem. It's a freaking animal. I'll tell you what I've done to it, different than how it comes. I did some porting to the reed cage itself and put lightweight carbon fiber reeds on it. A buddy of mine, Edwin Biaz, he made that pipe out of a RC Max, or maybe it's a Tony Green. I can't remember which pipe he used. Leo Syntron. It comes with a 78 millimeter clutch, like the Diablo 88. So we just got Diablo 88 clutch in it, and you can see it's a freaking animal. I mean, it's incredible. So now we'll port it and you know, get after it, but it needs a wheelie bar and gear up, and we'll just keep going with it and take it as far as we can. Okay, thank you guys. This is SRE, and we're out.